Hello there, my name's Geoff Norris and I'm the coordinator of Centrepieces. This project is called Mushroom Magic, one of 12 artwork installations which have been commissioned by Bexley Council for Hall Place Gardens. Fungi are beautiful, mysterious and ephemeral life forms which historically get a bad press as they are often associated with poisoning and the dark magical arts. But without fungi, life on Earth could not exist, as they perform an essential role in recycling and decomposing the planet's organic waste products, and through their close association facilitate the successful growth of most living plants. Fungi live in a kingdom of their own, separate from but in harmony with plants and animals, although they have much more in common with the latter. We humans are more like mushrooms than plants. This project celebrates fungi and their important role in life on the planet through a series of sculptures. The sculptures ranging in size from a few inches to about 6 feet tall and are all based on real wild fungi, painted in the many colours which appear in nature for the public to see and enjoy. Hopefully they will provoke some thoughts about the important role and diversity of these mysterious and beautiful life forms in the delicate balance of the Earth's ecosystem.